Once again, I am here with you, and we will discuss a very important topic today, that why our English speaking is not improving. Friends, I will give you two secrets for this, and by the end of the video I will give you the one bonus tip also. So please stay with me by the end. Friends, all of you have listened the story of thirsty crow. The crow was very thirsty, and he got a pitcher with a water at a very bottom level. So crow was thinking, and then he planned that to put some pebbles in that pitcher so that water level come up. So he collected the pebbles, and one by one pebbles he put in that pitcher, and then the water level come up. Then only then crow was able to drink that water. So first of all, think, friends, are we putting the same level in our English speaking or not? Yeah, are we doing the same hard work or not? The answer is with you. If the answer is yes, then it's okay. But if the answer is no, my request, you have to start putting the same efforts that the crow has done at that time. And secondly, what I have observed, that only 1% of the viewers are there who watch the full video sincerely, but others watch the video in a very casual approach, just skipping the video and not learning the contents of that video. So first of all, you have to find out that whether you are in 1% or you are in 99%. Then again you will get the answer. Friends, as the Vivekananda has also said that no one can teach you. Anyone or everyone can only help you. I can help you. I cannot be every time, everywhere with you. So for your development, you have to work. I can only help you. I will tell you the one way, the main tip that I will give you regarding that how you can improve your English. First of all, you have to start with yourself only. There is one approach that is called cow's approach. In that cow's approach, you have to make five little sentences of any one topic. Just for example, I tell you that we can take a topic like cow. Cow gives us milk. Milk produces power in our body, and by power we do our work. By work we earn money, and by money we can fulfill our dreams. So what you have seen, that I have just started from cow, and where I have ended up with dreams. There is no sense between this, but I have made the 5 sentences. Like that you will have to do all the day. You have to start with yourself. Make so many sentences you will make, so much you will be expert, so much practice you will do. As soon as you will be able to speak it also. We can only help you. I can only help you. I am posting on regular basis stories in my channel. The main purpose of that stories is only very interesting stories are there. The purpose is that I have to give you, to help you by the way of giving just minimum 10 to 15 words or sentences in one story. What you have to do? You have to write down that story in your words, and basically using that word also. And as much as you write or you use that words in your daily routine, you will be very soon you will start speaking. So please try. Or if you find that the cow's approach or other things that I have told you in my today's video, if you like that, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon also. Basically only then you will receive my next notification.